but I feel so comfortable with you.
Well, that makes two of us there. I get nervous meeting new people anyway. I'm pretty shy. I'm a shy person.
Me too. I'm a very anxious person.
Yeah,
I was very nervous this morning.
It's funny, I'm not anxious teaching. I've been doing this since like 1990 something.
Oh wow, yeah.
And but I'm weirdly very comfortable in a car teaching.
Yeah.
In a car, but a little bit nervous meeting new people. I never know what to expect.
Yeah, exactly.
But I've met so many different people now. It doesn't bother me anymore that much. At first, when I first started, I was like, oh man, all these strangers, you know.
Yeah.
But it's everybody has that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, far left, far right. I'm just kind of sweeping the intersection. You always want to check from left to right, because if you're while you're going through an intersection, if you're going to get hit by anything, it's on your left side first.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and make a left lane change here. Just let you do that. Nice, right on. Okay. Checking the blind spot. And at the lights, we're going to be turning left.
Okay.
Got to get in between those two yellow lines, but just keep the yellow line in sight, just right at the end of the yellow line, just before it ends, like right here. You can get it, no problem. Some people think they have to wait for the white lines, but that's not the case. You can cross the yellow line. Taking control of the intersection, perfect. Looks like you're gonna make my job easy, man. So you go out driving with your dad, but it seems to me like if he's been training you, he's done a good job.
I've only been with him like 3 times.
Really?
Honestly, and that was like months ago.
So how did you become such a good driver then?
I don't know. I drove on dirt roads a lot. But that's like, there's no stop signs or nothing really.
Oh, okay, that's cool, man. So you're a natural then. Three-way intersection, 3 stop signs. So the speed limit here is 40. It's a little bit difficult to do that, especially when there's other traffic on the road behind you. They all want you to drive like them, right?
Yeah.
Kind of pushing you to go